natural gas. In this video, I'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the winner chart. We are in NYMEX. We're slightly off of oversold levels with the RSI. With the 4-hour chart, we remain in NYMEX and approaching to oversold condition with the RSI. We have broken below the 200 moving average, this green line, at a price of $5.29. As with the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD. We did see the 9 moving average diverge onto the 18-day moving average, the blue and purple lines respectively. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG. And my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $17.86, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $19.40, and my stop loss is at $17.33. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $19.82, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $18.42, and my stop loss is at $20.26. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. And as we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, natural gas has a 29% chance to climb between 0 to 5%, a 29% chance to climb between 5 to 10%, to the downside a 29% chance to fall between 0 to negative 5%, and a 14% chance to fall between negative 5 to negative 10%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.